So this will be phase 3 of the making of the rule joint. I've already got the shaping done on the fixed leaf, so let me just show you that again. If I hide the hinged, you can see now that I've got the shaped portion of that rule joint on this part. Now it looks like also I've got a line down here that can go away. Edit. So this edge here can go away. Also, this should be a hidden line actually. So let me just hit that with the eraser, hide that edge there. That should be done over here as well. Now that's cleaner. That's looking good, and we can go now to the other part. Edit, unhide all. Let me close that component. Edit, unhide all. Bringing back the hinged thing. So we got to shape that cove on this part out here. Going to edit that component and grab the arc tool, and I want that to be green, and just go up here and sweep that down to a quarter circle, and wait, I shouldn't have done that. I went too far with that. Let me back that, undo that, and do the arc tool again, green. I don't want to go, oh, I'm going from the wrong center. Here's the center line of the arc. That was my problem here. So now it should work right. It stops there at a quarter of a circle, and then I can come down with a streak on blue axis to the point there, close that up. Now I've got a face, and I can run that face, control key, option key, to, so I'm pushing now that face all the way through to the other side, and I want to intersect that face, this face right here. I want to intersect that face and this little face. I want to intersect those two faces with the outside, edge, outer edge here. It goes all the way around, so I've got that selected. That's selected. I should be able to do an intersect faces with selection, and be better if I just close that component and then just bring it back out so we can see what we've got here. So bring it out, and I should be able to delete, edit, and get the eraser tool and knock out stuff. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. There's a line. There's some stuff back there. Let me get rid of that. That looks clean, and here this little extension can go away. And this line here needs to be hidden, so I held down the control key with eraser and knocked that off. So we've got a good rule joint here, I think. So I can just bring this up and connect it to the fixed right there. And just for the fun of it, let's pick that and pick the rotate tool, connect to that with a green thing, and rotate this, not upwards, rotate it down, and it's going to be somewhere down in there. It won't be 90 degrees because the wing stops it somewhere down here at an angle. And I can also then rotate the leaves of the hinge. So I'll show that in the next video.